Hey everyone, it's Maldonado with Hit Kit Club today, and I'm going to be using the May 2023 kits, the main kit, the pocket kit, and the embellishment kit. I wanted to stop and focus on this next picture for a second because somehow my filming stopped or didn't start. Anyway, I used the rainbow paper that you see there, and it is cut into the four squares that you see, trimmed some of the white down, and then I also used the blue paper that you see over to the right. I cut the inside of that out, put the border on a white piece of scrap paper and flat down, and then I added the center back into the center of that paper, but I raised it up on foam tape. So this is the layout that we are going to create today. So here's a close-up of the corner of that layered paper. So you can see that the white and blue is lifted on foam tape because you can see a little bit of a shadow. And then I textured the four striped blocks of paper. So just grab the two photos that I wanted to add to this layout, and I put them in the top corner. I did back them with two different pieces of paper from the pocket kit. I really love the patterns in there. They match really well with the papers that are in the kit. So I grabbed those and put them in behind. And then, of course, I used some foam tape. I didn't have borders around these photos because I accidentally trimmed one too close. And then when I did that, then I completely had to strip off all of the borders around my photos. And I do love a border. So I created one with a piece of paper from the pocket kit. So, of course, I use foam tape, and I get those layered down in the top right-hand corner. And these photos are really special to me. My dear friend passed away in May of 2022. This is probably my 7th or 8th death in just a 2-year period. This one was hard. I hadn't talked to my friend or seen my friend actually in several years, but we did talk, and every time you pick up the phone, it was just like the day you left. Back to being great friends, catching up quickly, and laughing like you just talked to him yesterday. Those are the kinds of friends that you really want to touch base with and keep up with. So, Ruth, the lady that you see in these photos, is my old boss, but dear friend. She was amazing back then and is still just as amazing today. I was able to see her at the funeral service, and then in the center is Mark, and his wife is the one who passed away. So I just wanted to emphasize how important it is to keep up with people. And this layout is just appreciate life. Life is sweet. Reunite with those friends. Don't let it take too long is kind of what this whole concept is. And then I do journal and hide that journaling in a few seconds, and I'll show you that. But the layered stickers that I did place down, I took them both up. I wanted to add a frame. And then I do so here, but I do remove the butterfly, and I don't think I put the butterfly back. I can't quite remember, but the title over the bottom right, the silver sparkly paper, is absolutely, or stickers, foam stickers are so cute. I just kept them on the plastic and trimmed them out with my scissors so I could move them around, figure out where I really wanted to place them. And I did so down on the bottom right corner. I felt like the top left was a little too heavy with the photos. So a little trick that I used was I bent back the plastic on the life and is, because those are separated perfectly. So I bent it back in half, stuck the bottom half down, and then just pulled the plastic out from the top half. You can also use a ruler. I've seen that, but these were already spaced and were easy to just bend the plastic in half, stick them down, and get them in the right spot. The suite was a little harder. It was kind of loose and flowy, so I squished it together a little bit, and here's where you see I fold the plastic in half and stick them down. And I do love those chipboard stickers that are included in this kit. They're in a shape of a triangle. They're pretty cute. And I have squares, and I'm going to emphasize the triangles in a little bit by adding the small chipboard triangles also all around, as you'll see here. I placed several of them down, and I try to coordinate them onto the papers or near the paper that it color coordinated with. And also on the epoxy stickers that you receive, there's also some more epoxy triangles that you can add as well. So I'll go back in a sec and add those on here, but I couldn't get those little colored stickers. I wanted the smaller alphas to put on this layout, but the green wasn't quite right, excuse me. So I used these larger colored letters to give a title to the top of my paper. I start with Reunite, and then later I come back and add a D for Reunited. I do love these alphas. I love the mixed matched colors. They're like color blocked and they're really pretty. I could see using these on a lot of different layouts and keeping them out, maybe even for next month. I'm not sure what we have in store, but I think they'd match and carry along throughout all of these kits that we receive from Hit Kit Club. Oh, there's the D. Never too late to go back. And so then I move the stickered heart right there, and I do add the date with the little green stickers. I didn't want to do the whole title because it didn't match, but having just the date went well with it. So it's a little paler once you stick it down on the paper, so it kind of works. So do you guys have one of those friends you haven't talked to in a while? There's several. We're a military family, so there's a lot of friends. You know what? Not a lot. Maybe a hand or 2 hands full of friends that you can just always count on, always pick up where you left off. Reach out to those friends. Don't forget them. If you forget too long, then it's too late sometimes, you know? So call those friends. So call me. I wouldn't mind talking to you. So I add the epoxy dots according to where they match on the paper and the epoxy triangles. I probably could have shortened this layout. There's nothing on this video. There's nothing really on this layout that reinvents the wheel, but I did hide a pocket, that sweet memory. I cut that out of the pocket kit and I journal on that. And I don't love my journaling, so I tucked it in and kind of hid it. So you see here that I did have quite a lot to say, but towards the end I realized it sticks down in the pocket space that I want a little too long, so I trimmed off the colors on the bottom. And then once I stuck it back in there, it fit in there perfectly. But once I got done, I wanted something for you to pull on so that you would know that the sticker or that journaling block can come out and pull out. So I got 2 puffy stickers that in the shape of a banner. I put the one I wanted on the front, and then I took another one and I flipped it over that I wasn't going to use and put it on the back. So here's the one I wanted. Flip it over and use the pink one on the back that you're not even going to see. It's upside down and it prevents that sticker from sticking anywhere. So again, I have to trim off the bottom to get that stuck in there a little bit more so you don't see too much of my journaling. And that is the extent of my layout. I thought about adding drops of paint. I think there's enough pattern and stickers and everything else on here, so I opted not to. But I did come back and add a few more of those glittery foam stickers. I add circles to be like an enamel dot, and then I also added on the top left what is it? Like a leafy, I want to call it like a cat nine tail, but it's not. It's a little long floral piece over to the left, and then I added one over to the right as well. So aren't they beautiful? They're long and slender, and they just fit next to my photos perfectly. So that's one of the best items in this kit. I absolutely love glittery silver and glitter that doesn't come off and doesn't stick to your face. So if you're interested in this kit club, everything that you need to know about joining is down below. What I used in this kit or for this layout is down below, and how you can access getting those kits if you're interested. We've got some cut files this month as well. So go check it out. I'd love it. So here are some close-ups. I'd love it if you subscribed and or liked this item, made a comment. All of that is very much appreciated. So I will see you next week or the week in maybe 10 days. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.